Today I'm going to show you how to create star trails in Photoshop. First, press Ctrl J 2 times to make a copy of layer. Go to Select and choose the sky. Inverse selection, go to Select and choose the inverse. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the layer 1. And change the blend mode to lighten. Press Ctrl T to select the free transform tool. And set rotation to 0.5. Hit Enter or return on your keyboard. Press Ctrl Shift Alt T many times to create that crazy hat effect. Select the 60 layers by holding down Shift key. Go to the filter and choose the Convert for Smart Filters. Press Ctrl T to select the free transform tool. And just follow these process. Hit Enter or return on your keyboard. Click the foreground color and make sure color is white. And click OK. Select the brush tool and choose the soft round brush. And the opacity 100%, flow 100%. And make sure the mask, not the layer, is selected. And paint these areas. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose the color balance. Select the shadows. And just copy these settings. Select the midtones. And just copy these settings. Select the highlights. And just copy these settings. And this is the result.